wood can be treated either before or after installation, depending on what is the most convenient. Always make sure to prepare the surface well by cleaning with water and exterior wood cleaner, or by sanding the wood if cleaning is not possible. By sanding the wood with a 80 or 100 grit, depending on the wood species, you will open the wood pores, which will allow the wood to absorb the DuroGrit better. Remove all the sanding dust. Take the DuroGrit and stir well. When using several containers at one site, it is recommended to mix them for an even result. Pour the required amount of oil into a bucket. Now apply DuroGrit in a saturated manner to the surface with a soft synthetic brush suitable for water-based products. Work in the lengthwise direction of the wood and always in the full length, so never stop in the middle of a board. Make sure to apply sufficient product and brush again afterwards to avoid start-stop and brush marks, and remember not to exert too much pressure on the brush. Maintain a wet edge to avoid overlaps. Let it dry for about 3 hours. Complete curing takes place after approximately 3 days. If you're applying the product outside, avoid direct sunlight on the surface during application and only work in frost-free and dry weather conditions. We recommend a yearly visual checkup just after winter season. Regular cleaning can be done with all-natural wood cleaner or exterior soap. Do not use any other cleaning products or detergents, as these might affect the protection. If necessary, when you have colors that fade out, apply a maintenance coat according to the instructions.